Understand this topic? Now guys, in neural network, how many layers we have? Three layers. Which are three layers? Input layer, hidden layer, and output layer. In input layer, what we have? Data. In hidden layer, neurons. Output layer, prediction. Okay. Now between hidden layers and input layer, what we have? Weights. To control weights, we use bias. ये क्लियर हो गया? तो इनपुट है, वेट्स है, बायस है, हिडन है, आउटपुट है. And we have activation function. Why we use activation function? How we get output, specification, or how we need a specific output. If we need output in numbers, we go for linear. If we need probability, we go for sigmoid. If we need answer in terms of, let's say, 0 to 1, we go for ReLU, like this way. Clear? So activation function defines how we need the output. Clear? Weight defines which variable is how much importance. Ye clear ho gaya? Okay. Now guys, we have a concept called as RNN. So ANN concept works on neural network for linear regression or any task, numerical or classification. CNN works for image. ANN works for numbers. It's for image. RNN works for text. Prediction of text. Now let's understand what is the meaning of prediction of text. In your mobile phone, you have suggestion. If you remember, whenever you type something in WhatsApp, on the header you get some suggestion. If you do spelling mistake, they give you some that auto correction. Okay. Plus you type something, it give you second options. We do a typing correct only. After correct, we get second option. That is called as prediction. Auto correction is a spelling mistake. We call suggestion or we call prediction. The prediction of words come from RNN. RNN full form is recurrent neural network. Re means repeat. Current means keep on repeating the process until we get a desirable output. Now let's understand CNN first. Okay. In CNN, I give the image of cat. C for cat. Okay. What we do? We take one layer, convolution, then pulling, then flatten, then hidden, then output. C, P, F, H. Convolution, pulling, flatten, hidden, output. If I pass the image of cat, we get some prediction, either a cat or a dog. The first image is cat, we get answer as cat. Correct prediction. Second image is dog, we get prediction as dog. Correct prediction. Third image is cat and I get prediction as dog. Wrong prediction. Now can I say every image which I pass, they are independent? Every output is independent. Do we have output of third depends on second? I'm asking you yes or no. The output is also independent and input is also independent. ये clear हो गया? So CNN works on independent data. So, remember this concept, okay? Independent concept. Guys, any sentence can you give me? What should be the word over here? Outside, or where is it? Ganpati, any function can become, any word can become. Now guys, I say you, instead of reading an entire sentence, read one word and tell me what should be the next word. Possible? I want you to read one word. Today. After today, what should be the next word? Don't read over here. Can be anything. So multiple options. But can we reach to Leah if I read single word? Can I say prediction of this word depends on this? It depends on this. Depends on this. Depends on this. Agree? So can I say we have a dependency of backward words? If you read single word, can you make entire sentence? Difficult. If you read entire sentence, become easy to understand what the person is trying to say. So can I say to understand the sentence, we first read from left to right, and then we understand it. Agree? Reading in breakup orders does not make any sense. So RNN say recurrent neural network, read the data and go backward and found the relation to predict the next word. Clear? Any query on this? Just a second. Okay. And now guys, this is your brain. Okay. We call cerebrum, then we have brainstem, and so on. Source taken from the Wikipedia image. Now guys, so how many parts you break the data into, guys? Your brain into? 4 parts. Every parts have some own importance. Some part of the brain is used for calculation, maths. If you may have heard the news about Einstein, is the brain for maths is higher area as compared to the all other areas. A normal human being take this much area, the temporal one. Like he has slightly more area. His brain was very faster, which is scientific reports I'm saying. Okay. So every brain parts have some storage. Storage where we keep data. Some use for image, some use for text, some use for numbers. Okay. Same way, CNN, RNN used for your text. In that brain, we have neurons. Here we have hidden layer. In hidden layer, we have neurons. Clear? Okay. I'll erase this part, guys. Now, guys, according to you, can you remember a sentence which is said at the age of 3 by you? कोई sentence याद है? At the age of 7th standard, any textbook you read? Difficult to remember? So guys, it's very, very difficult to remember the text data. So that's the reason we cannot predict directly a text data. So what we do, we pass the data and we predict. Okay. Any guys, any sentence can you say to me? Today we are planning to go out for lunch. It can be anything. Can be a restaurant or can be or your Ganpati or it can be any location you can go for it. Okay. So what CNN works? It breaks data into tokenization, which is called word tokenization. What is word tokenization? Single word. What is sentence tokenization? Breaking a paragraph into sentence. So first word is today. So your inputs become today. It process and give one output. ये clear हो गया? One input, one output. Okay. So guys, log into your drive. I have given one file to you. Just कौशिक कीजिए मैंने आपको एक फाइल दिया है. This is your this FFN and RNN. If not given, I make a folder. Download this file. Wherever data present, we mark as 1. Otherwise, ये clear हो गया. Clear guys. Same metrics are written over here. Step number 1 clear. Okay. Next, we take hidden layer. Hidden layer have weights. Initial weights are taken as random. This I generated based on this random function, guys. ये function weights हमेशा change करते रहेगा. मैंने एक बार weights को fix किया, just to explain you. I'll change the weight also later. These are random weights which I have taken for you. Clear? Okay. Now we multiply weights into data. Remember, x1 w1 plus x2 w2. This is after multiplications. Any question? Any question on this? Okay. Now, guys, what I do, the number whichever we have, I convert using 10H. In CNN, we use ReLU layer. In RNN, we use 10H layer. The algorithm when it was created, these are fixed. Okay. So 10H we are going to use. 10H means your, if you remember in trigonometry, we have tan function, sin theta, cos theta. What is the formula for tan theta? Search in Google. Sin divided by cos. So in Excel, we have inbuilt function. We'll give the same thing. Tan divided by cos. If you want, I can convert, guys, manually also. You can see sin. Same answer. This is the sin theta, cos theta, sin divided by cos theta. Either do manual or directly use 10H function. Clear? Any question? So we get this as an output. Now, guys, I'll copy this. So this is your input, and this is your the input get multiplied by hidden. After multiplying, we get some output. Clear? Input layer, hidden layer, output layer. In output layer, I use activation function as 10H. Wherever we have the maximum value in the first row, that I highlighted. Where is the first row highlight? This color. Second row, again diagonal. Third row, again diagonal. Fourth row, 0.71. Clear हो गया guys? Now, according to you, in your input data, okay, where we have, if this is the highest one, what is the position we have over there? H. So input is H, and what we get a prediction as? H. Input is, second row is E. What we get as a prediction as? E. Input as L, we get prediction as L. Got the point, guys, how we predict? तो एक H कीवर्ड पास होगा, go to hidden layer, and we have one output layer. If I pass H, I get answer as H. I pass as E, multiply by hidden layer. Using activation function 10H, I get answer as E. Here we compare position. Where we have H in which position, guys? H कहाँ पे है? First row, first column. Do we have first row, first column, highest value? So it represents it's a keyword as H. Any question, Rahul, please ask.
अगर सर let's say जो E और H में है second column first row point 3 वो highest आता है तो कौन सा मिलेगा? रो वाला ही कॉलम
जो highest है वही. Example. The question is correct. I am using random. Okay. I am changing the weights. ये clear हो गया? I change the weight. Weight multiplied by data becomes different. I compute different tonnage. Clear. Now if we see, the answer gets shuffled. Now what is where we have H, first row, first column as an input, where we have over here highest value, first row, first column. So if input is yes, prediction is H is correct. That is, you don't go column wise, go a row and column wise. यहाँ पे HS तभी वन किया था ना हमने input matrix में. Now second row is what? E. Where we have E, diagonal 1. Now at the diagonal do we have the highest value? Highest कहाँ पे है? Highest कहाँ पे है? L के लिए. So you input E, we get prediction as L. Wrong prediction. ये clear हो गया? Second, what is the third row? L. L is input. What is the prediction? L. So this is my right prediction. Then O. So when I pass O, I get prediction as. So two right prediction, two wrong prediction. ये clear हो गया? Row wise. Because we work row wise ना input. ये clear हो गया? Any question on this? Okay. Now what you guys, my suggestion for you. Instead of passing one keyword, okay. Instead of passing one keyword, one alphabet, can I pass new word? Hello everyone. Okay. Then we say in class or anything. Can I call this become words? Can I say this is a sentence? Can I say we converted my sentence into tokens? If you remember the metrics I teach you, term, document, metrics. Look like same way. It's just a conversion of data. So we convert our frequency, our data into frequency format, and that frequency is used in RNA. Clear? Can I say prediction is given based on sequence wise, position wise? यहाँ पे जो position H का है वो highest होना चाहिए. So here we take prediction based on position wise. Guys, any question please ask. I just replace a single alphabet by the sentence of words. So इसको मैंने कैसे replace किया? Instead of taking a word, we take a single alphabet, we take a word. Matrix remains same. Weights multiplication remains same. Tonnage also remains same.
एक बस क्वेश्चन है जैसे कि हम कीबोर्ड पे टाइप करते हैं तो हम एज का भी एज प्रेस करने के बाद आगे काटना है लोग तो फिर एज के बाद का नीचे जो भी आता है एज के रिलेटेड जो भी वर्ड आएगी वो उसमें
अभी मैंने आपको एक सिंगल अल्फाबेट पे दिखाया ना यू रिप्लेस इन योर ब्रेन single alphabet by single word. What are the options coming? Hello everyone is the input. What is the next output? It can be in, it can be Spanish, it can be synopsis, it can be GIF. So there are multiple options. Clear. So input क्या है? First input was hello. Then what is the prediction we get is everyone. Second input become hello everyone. Third prediction will be in. Fourth prediction is Spanish. Clear. We keep on passing. How many words I have? कितने words है? Can you make a matrix of 4 cross 4 like this way? Yes or no? Can you take random weights? Can you multiply with weights into inputs? Can you take tonnage? Can you find the maximum value and their position we compare with input data? Clear? This way, your RNN concept works.
And this works on the history or the database.
अपनी हिस्ट्री पे
डेटा डालने के बाद मेरे इसमें ऑटोमेटिक एनालिसिस करता है
हाँ if I talk about let's say data science is that good the options coming I did not specify career I just specify good you can see the career become highlighted for us टेबल में जाएगा ऑफ करना है ऑन करना है अच्छा मेरी टाइमर भी नहीं है
हाँ थोड़ा सा
clear is any question on this my objective is to explain you what is input what is hidden layer and how we multiply what is tonnage layer this example this was to take you make you understand this inputs
पहला वर्ड डालने के बाद आगे का सेंटेंस जो लेता है एच रिलेटेड टू वर्ड उसके कैसे वर्ड एच के ऑल वर्ड्स आएंगे ना फिर इसमें लेट्स अभी कीबोर्ड में टाइप करते हैं ए डाला तो ए रिलेटेड जो भी वर्ड है वो मेरे
गूगल में कंपेयर मत करो गूगल के ना बहुत डेटा
ठीक है कीबोर्ड पे
you think like a sentence
next word
you think like a sentence you type a sentence data science is a good और ये आपका सेंटेंस है डेटा साइंस इज गुड इज योर सेंटेंस ओके डेटा साइंस इज गुड और till here that is a sentence you have to predict the next keyword as either a bad to predict bad you require a sentence we make a sentence into matrix can you do like this way yes or no ये मैट्रिक्स को can you put over here by multiplying weights can you compare position just a comparison मैंने सिर्फ 3 ही स्टेप्स किए
इसमें अभी हमने बस बेचारे अल्फाबेट
हाँ
जो भी मेरा डिस्प्ले रहेगा उसका पूरा मैट्रिक्स
करेक्ट सेम शानदार से ना as your sentence increases your matrix also increase
सेंटेंस का नहीं अभी एक्चुअली हम उसमें कुछ डेटा भी होना चाहिए ना नेक्स्ट वर्ड के लिए कि डेटा के रिलेटेड जो है वैसे मैटर करता है।
ये हो गया। Keep on increasing. First I write data science. Data science is good career for fresher. My lecture was on third floor. And this one say I take on third floor. नहीं, we required bigger class. Okay. Anisha, we just learning our text data. So we say data science is a good career for fresher or not. और fresher के बाद options are getting.
तो फिर ये नेक्स्ट जो वर्ड आ रहा है वो भी उस मैट्रिक्स में होना चाहिए।
हाँ, ये prediction है. Now you think this is sentence you write. You don't think it's a prediction. You think this is my sentence.
Okay.
You write one sentence, two sentence, three sentence, four sentence. Can I make term document matrix? What is term document matrix? Find the unique words, and that unique words make a data. Can you make a matrix? Should I explain term document matrix? वो clear है? ये DTM है. Document term matrix. You multiply by weights. Use 10H activation function. ये clear हो गया? And compare the position. Comparing position, why we do? Because the first keyword, what I pass? Data. So what should be the prediction for the first keyword? मैंने data input किया, इसका next word क्या होना चाहिए? Science. Now what I do? I'll pass data science. What should be the next keyword? Is. Next I pass data science is. What should be the next keyword? Good. ये clear हो गया? Can I say first input and we have first output? To have a second output, we required previous input and output. Now if you read data, prediction क्या था? Science. When you read data science, what is the prediction? Is. When you read data science is, what is the prediction? Good. Can I say to have any forward prediction, I need to go back? Getting the point?
So, we have sentences
word wise. Any word you write, based on that word, it predict next word. Okay. The first word which we write is data. What is the prediction? Science. ये clear हो गया? Now second word, second input is what? What is the prediction? Yes. ये clear हो गया? What will be the third input?
पर ये डेटाबेस में कैसे जाएगा सर मैट्रिक्स? सबसे पहली बार बनेगा जब हम पहली बार सेंटेंस डालेंगे तब उसका मैट्रिक्स बन के रहेगा।
आपके पास एक डेटा ऑलरेडी होगा, हिस्टोरिकल डेटा होगा। This is my history. In history, all my search is my data ना।
फिर सबसे पहले वो उसके अलग-अलग मैट्रिक्स बन के जाएगा।
हाँ।
अगर आप उसे डेटा की जगह पे साइंस में डालते हैं, एनालिटिक्स डालते तो दूसरे मैट्रिक्स पे जंप होगा।
करेक्ट। हाँ।
अलग-अलग मैट्रिक्स रहेगा हर एक सेंटेंस का।
अलग-अलग सेंटेंस का अलग मैट्रिक्स क्यों बनाना है? What is term document matrix? Document means sentence.
आपका हर एक वर्ड
Sentence 1, sentence 2, sentence 3, sentence 4. Word number 1, word number 2, word number 3. Can you make a frequency chart? Do you want to make another matrix for every row? Not required. Google take your historical data, whatever you have searched till now. So he has make one term document matrix for your history. Every day you keep on searching, every day data keep on adding. Clear? Any question, please ask. The prediction, this is called your as input. This is called as output. In between, okay, in between input and output, we have something known as hidden layer with activation function 10. Any question? ये clear हो गया? Guys, any question, please ask. I'm open to any question. Easy है? ये difficult है? Now second, what is input over here, guys? Data science is an input. RNN predicts you next word as this. Third input is what? Data science is input. Prediction as good. So output is your prediction and this become your inputs. Clear? Any question, please ask. Easy here. Okay. Now guys, if you remember, if you write in Google, data science is a good or bad. Data science is good or space. To come answer as bad, can I say we have to go backwards? Agree? So RNN algorithms say I can go backward up to certain extent, up to certain limits. RNN can go backward up to 5 to 6 word backward, or we call lag. What is the meaning of lag, guys? Remember time series? We go backward months. Here we go backward in words. So here we can go 5 to 6 word lag. If I want to predict answer as bad, how many words I can go back? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? If my sentence is very high, a very used sentence I type, like data science is good or bad, pressure, okay. Keep on typing. Keep on typing. This sentence become keep on increasing. If the sentence keep on increase, RNN fail. Why it is fail? Because guys, we do not have the memory. Now I will ask you, can you read entire paragraph and you remember that each and every word? Difficult. So our brain have functionality of RNN. To overcome this, there's an algorithm invented which is called LSTM. Full form from LSTM is long, short, long bhi hai, short bhi hai, term memory. So here we just had a memory in algorithm which is store data. That's the only difference. RNN do not have memory, LSTM have memory. Clear ho gaya? Both are used to predict the next keywords. It can go up to 50, 60 words also. Clear? RNN have limitation 5 to 6 word backward. LSTM does not have. It's go to 50 words is too high. In Google, if you search, do we write 50 words and get the next answer? which is at 5 to 10 words, max to max. And within 5 to 10 words, we get our solution. They prefer to illustrate. Any question, please ask, guys. I've taken a scenario just to explain you how the input works, how we have their weights, and how we use 10s function. Any question, guys?
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, output में like you mentioned science बोल के it would be coming, right? But we are extracting from the table Excel sheet. So output number में it will come, no? Instead of science.
First input is data. Okay. Then output become your science. Okay. When I want to predict the third keywords. Okay. Can you repeat the question, please?
Sir, actually हम लोग table से we are finding out.
Can you repeat your question?
Can you hear me, sir, now? Sir?
Yes.
Sir, my question is अभी हम लोग टेबल से फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं ना जो मैट्रिक्स एंड tan h है. Can you hear me?
Anisha, your question is not. You are audible to me now.
Yes, sir.
Let me give you an overview. Okay. This is your first input. You write data. What will be output? Next keyword is science. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
So once you write a data, okay, you get prediction as science. When you next write data science, okay, as an input, your prediction is what? Is. When you write data science is, your prediction is
good.
So it's keep on predicting based on historical data which we have. So that's the reason, guys, everyone on screen, that's the reason the structure which we have, the diagram we have for neural network for RNN is you have input data. Okay, once again, let me draw the structure. Here we give input. Input give output. That output will come as an input. If I type data, what is the output, guys? Science. So both will come over here also. Second input become data science. Output become this. So again, this will come as an input over here. Clear?
Yes,
so
sir.
this is the structure of RNN. The diagram structure. Yes, Anisha, your question, please.
Sir, my question was like वो table जो आपने दिया था ना, I thought from there.
No, that table we converted first into frequency format, and that frequency is multiplied by your weights, and after taking activation function, we get this output.
Okay, sir.
This is the actual scenario.
Sir, 1 minute, I'll make a note of it.
Okay, your opinion. Just one second, and let me run this code. Let's log into your drive. I've given the file called RNN final. Open that.
Completed.
Now guys, log into your drive. Take this file of your RNN1. Okay, I'll explain this code. Guys, थोड़ा सा जल्दी करो. I'll give you
Done.
you run the code. चलाए से आपको सेल पे क्लिक करना है, रन आउट करना है. You'll run in a seconds. Shall I explain the code? Okay. On classroom students. Okay. On screen, there are two things guys we have to do. First, you have to make matrix. To make matrix, we have to do data pre-processing. Pre-processing means cleaning data, removing stop words, question marks, numbers, special characters, and so on. So guys, this data I have taken from Wikipedia. If you remember, we just write California over here. I open Wikipedia. I just copied the sentence. Nothing else I've done. I just copied this one, guys. California is a state of United States, border origin. I just copied the sentence. I paste it over here. Can you see? United California is a state in the Western United States. Same thing we have. We can take any sentence from anywhere. Okay. First, I convert data into lowercase. You can say data reprocessing. Clear? If you see prior, guys, C for California is capital. M for Mexican is capital. I convert to lowercase. Anywhere we have punctuation, you see dot. You see we have comma. Okay. So I say from string, use the function punctuation. So def is defined. Remove punctuation is our function name. This is my parameter name. Whatever comment text will go in C. In C is check for each and every words. If the words which are not present in punch will combine and become text no punch. Remove punctuation applying on data. So wherever we have a dot or we have a comma, will get removed. Clear? Guys, do we have any stop words over here? Where we have in, is, a, these are stop words. So from stop words, give me all the words in which language? English. Convert into set. Assign in stop words. Word tokens means breaking a sentence into single word. Assigning in text token. So you can see, guys, this is text token output. So text token will go in word. If word is not present in stop words, will come in word. And we are assigning in text token without SW. Stop words. And I'm doing a joins, assigning in data. This is your data without stop words. Okay. And this is the original data after doing a join. This is data with stop words. After removing stop words and after doing a join. Clear? Want me to repeat? I'll repeat, guys. If you have, first I say recognize the word. So whatever data I pass, my data is this one. California is a state in Western United States. From this data, I will first convert into word tokens. This is your word tokens. I break sentence into single word. ये clear हो गया, Nisha?
Yeah.
Clear? Then
Yes, sir.
from that single word, I compare in my stop words.
Okay.
For example, these are inbuilt stop words. Okay. Do we have anywhere A? If that A is present over here, what I will do? I'll delete.
Okay.
Okay. That is called removing stop words, making tokens without stop words. Can you see over here? Is A in is not there. Clear, Anisha?
Yes, sir.
Then we combine this single word into a sentence, which is called data. Any question, guys?
No.
Okay. Now tokenizer. Okay. So understand this, guys. In tokenizer, I'm assigning in tokenizer on screen. Tokenizer is fit on text. Means I'm converting a sentence data into single word. Like California is one word, state is another word, Western is another word. I'm just converting into word tokenizer. Ye clear ho gaya? Now, according to you guys, in this sentence, which word is most repetitive? California state, Western United States, California border, and again California. Whichever word repeat maximum number of times will get the first rank. We call sequence. Using tokenizer, text to sequence. Whichever word repeat maximum number of times will get the highest rank. So California repeat how many number of times? 3 times. So rank come as 1. So first here we have rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again California. What is the rank? 1. 1 दिख गया guys. Again we have California. What should be the rank? 1. Can you see over here is again 1. So we just given the whichever word repeat maximum number of time, that word we give a rank as 1. Clear? So ranking works on frequency wise. That is called encoded data. Then I check how many words we have, total number of words. How many we have? 80. What is the coding for California? 1. Coding for state? 2. Western? 3. You clear okay, guys? That is called text to sequence. Total how many words we have? 80. Index start from where, guys? 0. I just add 1 to the data. What is the vocal size? 90. Unique words? 18. Now on screen. If the first word is California, what is the second word? State. You clear okay? So list, make an empty list, signing as sequence. For I in range of length. What we have in the I, starting from 1 and go up to 20. You clear okay? From encoded data means use this one. Sequence number. Do I minus 1 plus I plus 1. I minus 1, I plus 1. First value of I is what? 1 है. 1 minus 1, 0. And 1 plus 1, 2 हो गया. What come at second position, guys? पे क्या number है? State. 1 minus 1 become 0. So what is the first keyword they do? First keyword they take as 1. Second answer क्या हो जाएगा? 2. So he make a sequence 1, 2. अगर किसी ने कैलिफोर्निया लिखा तो सेकेंड आंसर क्या होगा? State. If someone specifies state, second answer Western. You clear हो गया? We just make a sequence of each and every word. हमें word predict करना है, sentence predict नहीं करना. There's a difference. Good point. We can keep stopwords. I have removed for a safety point of view. ये clear हो गया? Do you want me to repeat? If someone specify Western, what is the next prediction? What is the Western coding as? 3. Output as 4. Can you see 3, 4? So एक input होगा और एक output होगा. We make a sequence. Till you clear, Anisha? I convert this sequence into array format. In sequence, pick up all rows and first column. Take as X. Pick up from sequence, pick up all row and second column. Take as Y. This become X. And this become 1. ये clear हो गया? If input is 1, what is the output? 2. If input is 2, what is the output? If input is 3, what is the output? ये clear हो गया? Any question? We have y variable and number of class. How many vocal size we? How many unique words we have? 19. We make a matrix 19 by 19. For every value of y, and we convert to category. Can you see the data, guys? This is 19 by 19 का matrix. Remember we compare position wise.
Yes.
हमने एक matrix बनाया जहाँ पे if someone specified 2, wherever there is a 2, I will have the 1. Otherwise, 0. Now understand the coding over here. I want to make sequential model. Embedding means convert vocal size. You will have unique words as 18. How many neurons? 24. When I say you can take max to max 124 words. Okay. Right. Add LSTM because it has memory. How many neurons? 15 neurons. Every single word is input and second word is output. So total we have unique 18 words. For every words I need output. So my output layer is based on inputs data. If I give 18 inputs, output will be 18. Activation function softmax. Softmax will give you answer in 0, 1. And make the model summary. ये clear हो गया? Loss function, category, loss entropy, accuracy function, vision matrix, learning rate, Adam. Our name is model. Fit means apply on X and Y. Repeat experiment how many times? 100 times. Guys, remember California is 1. State is 2. ये clear हो गया? Here repetitions. Understand the process. I convert everything into matrix. A function. Now, how this function works? Predict the word. Okay. Using model, converting data into single tokens. I specify the word called Western. Give me next only one word next prediction. What is the answer I'm getting as? United. Now, according to you, okay, when I write my data, if I write Western, what is the answer for the next word? If I write over here as 2, what is the next word? If I write 3, what would be the answer? So Western is a single word. After Western, I need how many next word prediction? 3 words. Next 3 words give me prediction. ये clear हो गया? If I specify Pacific, example, and give me the next only one word prediction, what is the answer? Give specific, I need 2 words prediction. What is the answer? After Western, do we have any output, guys? If I give, see what happened. Let's keep on searching. Anywhere we have, if not, let's go back to the first one. Now, if I specify Orion, example, I'll explain the code. What is the next word prediction? No. If I say after Orion, give me 2 next word, what is the answer? ये clear हो गया? I say my input is working as per my sentence prediction. Prediction happening proper and correct. Now how it works? I make a function. Def means define. I need next word prediction. Function name. Now parameter name. Model. Tokenizer, enter a text, and predicts. Enter a text means Orion, or we can say simple as Western. Western is my enter a text. Next, and predict how many words I need to predict. How many we have? 2. ये clear हो गया? Tokenizer means converting a sentence into single word. Then we have our model. Is first line clear? Will have any question? Yogesh, Shandanu? No. Whatever I enter the word means Western will go in text. Again, enter a text will also go in result. Guys, I'm going very slow because this function is very, very important. Okay. If I specify over here as Western, so Western will come in text and also come in result. Ye clear ho gaya? And predict means how many words I want to predict will go in I. If I say 2, what is the value of I? 2. Ye clear ho gaya? Whatever we give in data will come in text. Index में क्या है? Western है. Westerns को हम क्या convert कर रहे हैं? Sequence. What is the sequence number for Western, guys? ये clear हो गया? So here encoded will have answer as 3. And we convert it to array. Array में क्या लिखा होगा? 3. ये clear हो गया? I say model will predict the class of encoding, and here we have predicted. If I pass 3, what will be the next prediction? 4. So your answer will come as 4. ये clear हो गया? हमने input 3 दिया, तो prediction क्या आएगा? 4. Clear? Just 5 minutes, guys. Next. Now, in tokenizer, word index item. Word index item is this one. Every word and their index number. Every word and their index number. So here I give California is word or index, guys? Word. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा रहेगा? California and so on. And यहाँ पे इसका index number. ये clear हो गया? What is your prediction, guys? 4. So prediction में क्या आएगा? 4. This 4 is there in index number 4 anywhere? United. So in here we'll have 4. This 4 match. If this 4 and this 4 get match, from the word pickup United and save in put words. Clear हो गया? अगर 4 और 4 match होगा तो I need only United States, and I'm assigning in the over here. If condition fail, break it. What I need in the output? Output words. What is the output word, guys? United. Plus give me my result. What is the result? Western. What is the output? United. But I need only the result part. I need only this one. After comma, so I only need required this one. ये clear हो गया? मुझे क्या चाहिए था सिर्फ? I only need result and I only need output. Any question, please ask. ये नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा.
Sir, outward means?
Outward means outward will give you your prediction.
Okay.
So predicted.
देखो मैं और एक बार रिपीट करता हूँ सिंपल वे में, ठीक है, नॉट इन द कोडिंग फॉर्मेट, वेरी सिंपल वे, जस्ट बी विथ मी. What data we pass? Western. Western will come in also and result also. ये clear हो गया? And predict means 2. We convert Western into sequence and code as 3. And 3 we convert to array. ये clear हो गया? When we pass 3, model predict as 4. ये clear हो गया? This 4 we search in index. If the 4 and 4 match, then give me its words. So here in the words we have unit. ये clear हो गया? Then I say, give me my result. What I have in result? What we have an output words? Okay. So our function name is what? Predict words. Function name. Input is model and tokenizer. What I need to input again? Enter a text. The text name is Western. How many next word I want to predict? 2 words. Any question can ask, guys?
Because predicted or model of predicted.
आपको ये जानना है?
Sir, I have a small doubt.
Yes.
Last third statement में already we found out outward underscore word ना उसका output भी आता and last statement में भी output same आता ना. So why we are finding 2 times? I mean.
1 second. Let me just answer first. I'll come back to you. Just give me a second. Okay.
Okay.
What we have in index? It will give index number to me. What is the index? Western is my data, which is my index. ये clear हो गया? This index I convert to sequence. Now guys, you can see what is my sequence. It will be clear for you. Just be with us.
Yeah.
What is our input? 3. So we have 3. We convert into array. Array means this square bracket. This input will come over here as 3 and prediction as 4. ये clear हो गया? This line which I have written, I copy pasted from here. Yes. Now Nisha, your question.
Sir, I have a question on predicted sequence 15. I mean, if statement के पास है ना, so उसका output और last statement output same आएगा. So why we are finding again in text?
देखो, input Western है. Okay. Let me change it. What is the Western sequence number?
3.
What is the Western sequence number?
3, sir.
3 है. तो Western में 3 हो गया. Okay. After 3, what next? What comes?
States. Sorry, United.
United. What is the next? The sequence number?
4, sir.
4. ये clear हो गया?
So
when I pass Western, convert into tokens, I get answer as 3.
Okay.
When I predict the class, I get answer as 4. ये clear हो गया? What
yes,
we
sir.
have over here? Now, token's word index is this one. Token word index items.
Okay.
If your prediction is 4, what is the word we have over there?
United.
United. ये clear हो गया?
Yes, sir.
What we can say, word में क्या होगा?
United.
हमने predict क्या किया? 4. Input क्या था? 3.
3.
So what I do, this 4, I search in index. 4
Okay.
and 4 get match.
Yes, sir.
If 4 and 4 get match, from the words, I need united and save in
Outward.
Okay, ऐसे output. Output word. ये clear हो गया?
Yes, sir.
So we are saving in output words.
Yes,
So
sir.
what we have in output words, what is the answer?
United.
United. So what I say, result, give me result plus give me output words.
United आएगा ना sir? Last statement.
हाँ तो united ही है ना आंसर में.
I mean, मेरा doubt ये था कि 2 times क्यों we are finding result.
Result 2 times.
We already got word as United, no sir? If state.
I just want to write in sequence order.
Okay.
What I've done, first give me result. Okay.
Okay.
So, or we can say, you can use from result. I can say first give my input text. Once input text. Okay. So what we have written for sequence, we have written that result.
Yes.
Result is your input data also. First point number 1, which is Western.
Okay.
Plus, give me output as output word. Output word is United.
Net. Okay.
Guys, any question on this coding, please ask, guys. It's very important.
No, sir. Clear for me.
Function easy hai. Vallabh samjha. Shantanu, what would you repeat? Clear hai? So guys, can I say every time we pass one input, one single word, and we say predict for the next forward words? Now, can I take any data information, guys? Let's say Times of India. I copied this in a sentence, okay? I pasted over here. Guys, answer may vary because I'm just taking a random experiment, okay? Clear. I convert to lowercase. Right? Remove punctuation. I remove stop words. This is the output we have. Convert to sequence. Make sequence order. Make X and Y. If someone specify any word, guys, we can say. If someone write times, example, what will be the next output, guys? India. Next, third answer. Next to next, Indian. Let's cross check. If I say give me 2 words, are we getting a right prediction as per the input data? It has to be 100 now, because if you predict accurate, then only the customer will like your service. Got the point? Any question, please ask. Let's go through with the points. Any doubts you have, can ask, please. Guys, only this function look like lengthy for you, which I believe. We just apply, if you remember, in this function, we just apply the entire, okay, in text mining, which we have done on screen. We first take data. We remove lower. We remove stop words. We remove your punctuation. Again, we have data only, guys. Ye clear ho gaya? On this data, we convert to sequence, and from sequence we make X and we make Y. Based on this, we run our model and we make predict function. Predict function is a combination of all three, we can say. It's a combination of sequence, which we use in predict function. Did we do anything new, guys? Can I say step starting from till here is common? I just added sequence. This is new. And this one is new. Clear? Guys, any doubts, any question, please ask. Anisha, any question you have, can ask, please.
So clear.
This is the topic which we have the last for your deep learning. One is your CNN, RNN plus LSTM, which we did on the text data. We done with your NLP. We done with your ANN. In NLP, we done with your term document metrics. We done with word cloud. We done with sentiments. We done with TF-IDF. Okay, that is a part of your deep learning. Okay, I'll keep 1 or 2 day buffering for you. If you have any question in future for your deep learning, we can do a discussion. Clear? Anisha, try to be regular. Your lectures will be from 8:30 only always. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just make sure you follow the schedule, guys, every time. Now timing will not be changeable. As I said, from this September month, the timing will be fixed till your course will complete.
Okay,
so whatever comes in the schedule, that has to be fixedly followed. Guys, go through with the codes. Any question you have, can ask. I'll give you 5-10 minutes.
Sir, if you don't mind, questions कैसे पूछते, like इसके, I mean framing. How do I?
So what I have done. So Monday we have kept a practice mock.
Okay, sir.
Make sure you give the practice mock. Syllabus is still boosting.
Boosting. Okay, sir.
Still boosting. Logistic will be there. Decision tree will be there. Random forest will be there, and boosting. 5 topics.
Sir, or I missed Semban Viva, no sir, mock test. So मैं उत्कर्षा मैम से बात करे, and she told me that after discussing with you, she'll schedule. I mean.
Okay. She has not have a discussion with me. Today I will have a discussion. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anisha, I've given the topic name for the mock also. You can take from there in the chat.
Yes, sir.
Mount with.
Sir, do we have to write this program?
No, no, already I've shared on the drive. You can take from there. If you have any query, just go through with the codes. If you have query, you can ask.
Okay, sir. Sir, actually I missed few notes, sir. ये class से पहले, if you don't mind, will you please share it?
It's there on drive only in the topic called reinforcement.
Notes, sir. The theory notes, like.
Notes. Okay. I'll share a PDF with you.
Okay, sir. Share the drive, sir.
I'll give you the PDF file. You can take a print from there. Okay.
On drive, sir, or on group?
On drive only.
Okay, okay, sir. Uh, sir,
Yes.
sir, actually, I have a request. Like, class timings थोड़ा fluctuate हो रहे हैं ना, like one
No,
day one timing.
no.
If you don't mind, will you please inform one day before or bit earlier?
Now your class timing will be fixed. Okay.
Okay, okay. There would be no change, no, sir.
No change. No change.
Okay. सर ये लिखना है क्या?
Yes, you have to write this definition.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Guys, done for today. Thank you. Yes, Anisha, you're speaking something?
Definition is completed.
This much we have a definition. So we'll continue next time. Okay. Thank you.
Upload किया notes.
I have to scan and I have to upload.
अच्छा.
Okay, just give me some time.